Hey kitty cats, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just really want to let you guys what's going on today. So yes, I'm gonna be vlogging my day all day. Excuse me. Anyway, I'm gonna be going to like a goat farm. My mom's friend's goat farm. I like her goats. They're so pretty. But anyway, you're gonna go along with me in this journey. Okay. So guys, we're on our way to pick up my mom's friend. Yeah. Okay. What?
I'm getting like she used to. It's a full with them. Yeah, I was wondering that. I'm like, I haven't heard anything about that one yet.
Where's our orange drink? Tell her. No. So they fucking died.
Hot dogs in water? What the hell are they drinking?
You put molasses in there.
Hey guys, so I feel like I'm dying. Ow. And yeah. I wanna die. Because all these bugs are annoying. And they make me want a KMS. Just kidding. Anyway, the goats are really cute. Oh my god, my sunglasses get so foggy. That's how hot I am. What are you doing? Okay. So, guys, I finally made it home because my mother wanted to drop me off. No. Anyway, so my mom wanted to drop me off at home. Well, basically because she had to go pick up my little sisters. So I was like, oh, like, I'll go home. I'll go sacrifice myself. So I'm home now, and I think I'm going to end the video. I hope you liked it. I know it wasn't, like, really that long of a video, but it's, like, my first vlog, so, like, give me a break, okay? Anyway, I love you, kitty cats. Bye.